Hey, welcome back, Gary Brown Forging On. Let's make a copper cuff bracelet. I start off with a piece of 1/4-inch copper. I will forge it flat, and then I'll texture it and shape it. Hey, just a quick thing. Please like and subscribe. Subscribing doesn't cost you anything, and you can always change your mind later. Over 97% of my viewers are not subscribers, and it really helps the channel, so thank you very much. So I want to color this and spread it out. I don't want to hit flat too much, that goes everywhere. I want it to go this width-wise. On this piece of copper, I'm going to use a small peen hammer and put a little texture in it. Now I'm going to put different size texture with a different size ball peen hammer. And before I finish, I'll polish it and it'll get down to a real bright copper shine. Texture, I'll also dress it ends up. I got to figure out how big whoever wins it, so I may have to trim it off or something. Fit this now. All right. Spray paint it.